How to testing camera zoom feature on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, hold phone and you will see. So 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 30x, 100x. So you will see. So if you want to testing, you will see. So after under next take picture, you will see zooming picture is here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can testing camera zoom feature on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.